Hello everyone, myself Veena Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, SNS College of Technology. So in previous video, I explained about bulk modulus. So in this video also, I am going to explain about rigidity modulus of the elasticity. Okay, so these are only different types of elastic modulus, right? Elastic modulus is nothing but shearing, so stress by strain ratio, right? So rigidity modulus is nothing but shearing stress by shearing strain. So now what is meant by shearing? What's the meaning of shearing here? So shearing is nothing but change in angle, right? So this is the ratio of shearing stress by shearing strain. So shearing stress is applied tangential to the surface, right? So tangential means so shearing is nothing but change in angle, right? So now the shearing stress is applied tangential to the surface. So look at this diagram. So normally it has the volume V and it has the surface and it has the surface area A, right? So now the shearing stress is applied to the applied tangential to a surface. Now the stress is applied to the body. The body gets moved, right? As a result, one surface is displaced with respect to the another fixed surface, right? So now, so look at this diagram. So now the body will be, the stress is applied tangential to the surface. So as the result, one surface is displaced with respect to the another fixed surface, right? So now eta will be the notation of rigidity modulus, right? So eta is equal to tangential stress by shearing strain. Okay, so now here the stress is also in angle, so strain is also in angle. So while stress is applied to the body, so it in the angle, right? So strain also produced in the angle, right? So here the tangential stress is equivalent to F by A. So stress is nothing but force by area. Force is applied to the particular area of cross section with respect to the area, right? So tangential stress can be written as F by A. So look at this diagram. So normally it has some length L, right? So now stress is applied to the body. So what happened will here? The length should be changed, del L. So yeah, the length changed from L to del L, right? So look at this diagram. So here the tangential strain will be del L by L, right? Del L is nothing but change in length and L is the original length, right? Let's substitute this equation in eta. So eta is equivalent to tangential stress by shearing strain, right? So here the tangential stress value is F by A. So substitute here. So shearing stress value, strain value will be del L by L. Del L is nothing but change in length by original length. So here tan theta is equivalent to del L by L, right? So look at this diagram. Okay, so look at this diagram. It has length L and the stress applied in the tangential angle will be theta, and so the deformation takes place from one surface to another surface. So C is transformed into C1 and D gets transformed into D1, right? So this is the shearing strain, right? So eta is equal to F by A by del L by L, right? So here F is the force and A is the area, del L is the change in angle, L is the original length. Okay, so del L by L can be written as tan theta, right? So for small angle of shearing tan theta, so we can write simply theta. So instead of del L by L, we can write tan theta. So here the angle is very small, so that we can simply write as theta, right? So eta is equivalent to, so let's interchange these terms in this equation. So eta is equivalent to F by A divided by del L by L, right? So instead of del L by L, we can write theta. Okay, substitute here. So F by A into theta. So this is the rigidity modulus of the given body, right? Okay, so in this video I explained about rigidity modulus of the materials, right? So in previous video I explained about the types of elastic modulus, right? So elastic modulus is nothing but the ratio of stress by strain. So in elastic modulus we have three different types of elastic modulus: Young's modulus, rigidity modulus and bulk modulus. In previous video I explained about Young's modulus and bulk modulus. In this video I explained about rigidity modulus, right? So Young's modulus is nothing but longitudinal stress by longitudinal strain. So So rigidity modulus is nothing but shearing stress by shearing strain, right? So at the same time, the bulk modulus is nothing but the volume stress by volume strain. Okay. So these are all the different types of elastic modulus. Thank you all.